Today we are going to recreate my DIY bright red lipstick mixture.
Water can flow, how one can crash. Be water, my friend.
So this is more of a PSA than anything else. These lipsticks have so much more to offer than we are aware of. For example, I've already done this, right? I'm going to redo it for you. So this is a Oak Bite Beauty Lab. I guess it was a lip scrub container, glass container, and I've repurposed it, which is the way of life for me. I repurpose everything. This is Milani's Matte Luxe, which is a bright orange color. This is Milani's Matte Iconic, which is a bright red color. So I want to show you, I've already attacked this bullet. So I have gone ahead and used up what is visible to us all from the bullet. But inside, there is so much more. And it just made me realize how much lipstick we throw away, essentially. There's so much more in here. So I'm going to shuffle it out now. I've just realized that this is way too thick to get in there. To keep it all the way real, I grabbed my scissors. And that's what I have, and that's what we're going to use to get the lipstick out of there. Anyhow, there was a lot more orange because I didn't use as much. So we're just going to cut a bit of the orange as well. Transfer it onto this plate. This is like a chopping board, this little glass plate. I'm not even sure what its purpose is. I bought it because it was really pretty. So I don't have a certain amount. I eyeball everything. I look at it. When I get the color I want, that's when I add it into my, my glass pot there. So I think this is a little too... I want a bit more orange. So we're just going to grab a bit more orange, slice some of it out. You know, it's better to ease your way into this so that you don't overdo it with the color. You can get the color that you actually want. I love red lipstick. I feel like it's just so beautiful. And it's so funny because it made me... I recently thought about the whole ASAP comment about how certain skin tones shouldn't be wearing red lipstick, and honestly, I'm not saying anything about men or whatever, but leave it to a man to say something like that, because women know that red lipstick is universal. It is universally gorgeous. I have a plastic knife that I am using to mix with. You know, it's these utensils that we get when we order out food. It has teeth, and so because it has teeth, it makes sure, I'm sure that it really gets in there and smooths the lipstick out. I have found chunks of orange and chunks of red in the lipstick, and so this is the best way that I figured out how to smooth all the chunks out. And now it's time to just transfer it over. So you're going to scoop it up like with your spatula, whatever spatula you may be using. Like I said, I'm using my plastic knife. And we're going to just squeeze it in there. Add it onto our mixture that we've created already. For you, this is a whole new mixture. So here's our mixture. I like to clean around the edges. I like to clean as I go so that there's no greater mess created later. I clean the edges, make sure that everything remains clean. You know, these lipsticks, they go in our purse and they can dirty up our purse if we're not as neat as possible, so I'm always really neat. Anyhow, so this is my bright red lipstick. I use it on my lips and on my cheeks, and I have actually once used it as eyeshadow. I hope that you enjoyed this video today. I hope that you realize that you are throwing away a lot of lipstick, and we have to put an end to that. That's absurd. So yes, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And the two things that we've learned is that we're throwing away our lipstick and that we should be repurposing these little glass bottles. I am 100% anti-junk, but I always save my glass bottles because I know that there's so much I can do with them. I have a video for repurposing coming up soon, but even if I don't have anything right away that I can do with them, I save them because the occasion will come up where I can use them. So yes, repurpose your glass bottles and stop throwing away money. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a beautiful day. I will be sure to see you in my next video, and don't forget to watch the videos I've just posted. I've posted 2 videos so far this week. This is the 3rd one. I was in a 2-week hiatus, and I'm back. So please continue motivating me by watching my videos. Again, thank you very much, and have a great day.
Empty your mind.